Hi there, beautiful friend. Want to make sure your Samsung Galaxy S25 or S25 Ultra is easier to use? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to enable the assistant menu using the built-in setting. Just follow each step and you will have everything set up in less than 2 minutes. Let's get started. First, open the settings menu on your phone. After opening settings, scroll down a further bottom, find the accessibility option, tap to open it. After opening the page, look for the interaction and dexterity option, tap on it. Within the menu, look for assistant menu option, click on them. Right now this option is turned off, so tap on the toggle button to turn it on. After it's on, you can see pop-up appear assistant menu on your screen. If you use them, tap on the icon. You can see various shortcut icons such as I am back to home screen, tap on the home icon and automatically back to the home screen. I am capture a screenshot, tap on the screenshot button and automatically capture my screen. If this tutorial helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Samsung Galaxy tips, easy tutorial, helpful tech guys. Thanks for watching. See you in the next time.